Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a full day of eating for you guys. I literally just woke up. I'm so tired, but I usually start off my day with a small breakfast. I don't really eat a lot of breakfast because honestly without classes I wake up later, but I'm just going to take it along with me and show y'all what I like to eat, like how I weigh it and everything. And if I can, I'll take like screenshots of MyFitnessPal to show y'all how I track it. As always, please like and subscribe. It is greatly appreciated, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.